Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate how easy it is to upgrade the memory and the hard drive inside a MacBook. First thing you want to do is turn the MacBook over onto a nice soft surface and use a coin just to remove the battery. And then right in front of you, you can see there's a little metal plate that goes right across. There's 3 screws right in the front. There's one on the right, one in the middle, and one on the left. And I believe it's a P0 screwdriver that you need to use. You can use get in most toolkits, most of the smaller toolkits. So once you undo those 3 screws, the L-shaped bracket that holds everything in will just pop right out. Simple as that. Right in front of you, you can see the 2 memory module bays right there. So here's a closer look. You can see the white plastic memory release catches. Just pull them all the way to the left and the memory module will eject itself. So once you've done one, you can go right back in, do the right hand side, all the way to the right, all the way to the left, and the memory pops out. And then when you install your new memory, Apple provides a handy little diagram inside the battery compartment to show you which way the memory module goes. You want to have the cutout on the left hand side. So simply just to install the new memory, just line it up, get it straight, and then push it right back in until it clicks, and make sure the release catches over. Do the same again on the right hand side. This is actually upgrading from the standard 512 memory. This is a 13.3 inch MacBook, probably 2005, I think, 2006. And there you go, we've upgraded from 512 to 2 gigs. For the hard drive, there's a white flap on the left hand side. Just unhook it, pull out the hard drive, and the white tag is attached to, there's the Toshiba 80 gig standard hard drive that it came with. There's a bracket on the outside of the hard drive and it has the same P0 screws. Undo the screws, transfer it over to your new hard drive, screw the mounting bracket back in again, and there is the Hitachi 320 gig hard drive. So simply just slide the hard drive back into place, make sure the white tag is folded under like it was when you first found it, and you've upgraded the memory and the hard drive in a MacBook. And to finish it off, just replace the metal bracket and you're done.